Welcome to Royal Tutors. Today we are going to be learning on addition of surd. The first thing you need to understand is this. Let's say you have root 3, okay, plus root 3, and you have root 4 plus root 7. In this case now, root 3 plus root 3, you get 2 root 3. How? Okay, because you have a 1 in front of each one of them before the square root. And then for the root 4 and root 7, you realize that what is inside the roots are not the same. So in that case, you cannot add it together. Okay, this is not applicable. All right, so now let's take a look at a more question in line with addition of surd. Let's say you have root 20, okay, plus root 80. So before you add this together, you will need to simplify, because in this case now, they do not have the same number in the root, but it can be simplified in such a way that we can end up having the same number in the root. How? You look for the highest number, or let me say the largest number, squared numbers that is divisible by 20. If you look at that, that will give you root 4 multiplied by root 5 plus, the same way you do for root 80, the highest squared number that is divisible by 80 is going to be root 16. Then you look at the number you're going to probably multiply by 16 to give you 80. You just do 80 divided by 16, and that will give you root 5. So at this point now, root 4 will give us 2 root 5 plus root 16 will give us 4 root 5. Good. So at this point, all we need to do is to add up the number outside together and put one of the root 5 at the end. So that will be 2 plus 4. That will give us 6 root 5. As simple as that. Let's take a look at another example again. Let's say you have root 63 plus 20 root 28. Root 63 plus 2 root 28 rather. Good. So the same pattern, you look for the highest number, or let me say the largest squared numbers that is divisible by 63, and that will give us root 9. And what are we going to multiply by root 9 to give us 63? That is root 7. Plus, right, 2 open bracket, the same pattern. Okay, the highest squared number that is divisible by 28, that will give you root 4 multiplied by root 7 as well. So you close the bracket. So at this point, this will give you 3 root 7 plus 2 into bracket. Root 4 will be 2 root 7. So if you open the bracket, you have 3 root 7 plus 4 root 7. And your final answer will be 7 root 7. So I'd like you to try this question below for just practical understanding of this particular topic. Let's say you have root 50 plus root 8. What is going to be your answer? Or let's say we also have the likes of 3 root 8, okay, plus root 2. What is going to be your answer? Thank you so much for following Royal Tutors today. Do well to subscribe for more. Bye.